guys, today I'm going to be opening this Polly Pocket gumball machine. And when I saw it at the store, I fell in love with it because I love Polly Pockets. Because as you can see, I have some right here and two big ones up here, but you probably can't see the big ones up there. So first to start off, I love this design, and of course I love bear face. You can see that there's gumballs in here, so if you twist the thing, they'll come out. So, yeah. And then if you open this, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little stairway, and then you can come up here. And then, yeah, it's like a little cafe thing. But, yeah, and then I love that there's a little handle, so you can just grab it like this. Okay, so let's get some scissors, and always remember to ask for permission from your parent to use scissors. You might be able to just rip it open. Okay, there we go. So first to start off, we have this thing, and there's this little thing here that you can open it with, but someone also told me that you can like twist it and then it'll just pop open. But first, we should look what's inside here. So let me try to get this open. So that's so cool. So there's this little gingerbread house, if you can see it. Yeah. And it's really cool. And I think it's candy theme. The whole thing is candy theme. And then right here, there's a cupcake with a slide thing. That's really cool too. Okay. So I think I'll move on to maybe this side first. If I can open this. Can't open it. I guess we can just open this one first. Just a second. There. Whoa! It already came out. Is there more coming out? There better not be. There. Now no more coming. Whoa! So, first there's this little thing. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, it's really cool. And then you can actually open this thing up to see the little ice cream things inside here. Yeah. And yeah, that's kind of cool. So let's see what's inside this first one. Okay. There's tape covering it, so I can't really get it off, but I'll try. Okay, got it off. Is there more? Yeah, there's more tape. But that's fine. I think I can still open it like this. Okay. So that's really cool. So these ones have candies in them. If you can see it, there's a candy cane. There's a candy in a wrapper. There's another one, except it's pink. And there's another pink candy cane. So that's really cool. So I'm thinking you're either supposed to put these like right here, like right in the spinny thing, or I don't know, somewhere. Maybe up here, somewhere up there, but yeah, I think I'll open the rest of these later. I still can't open this. Can you help me? Thank you. So hard to open.
There's tape.
Oh, there's tape. I can get the tape off. I got it. I got it. That's why I couldn't open it. There we go. Oh. Okay. So that's really cool. This thing can actually open. So it's kind of like a real candy thing. That's really cool. And then, that's so cool. So here's the instructions manual thingy. Let me look at it quick. Okay, that's really cool. So if you look at it, you can see what different things you can do with it. So yeah, that's really cool. And then we have this thing right here. I got it. And oh my goodness, that's so cool. This little jar of candy thing. Yeah, that's really cool. And then, that's so cool. There's this like little button you can push. And it goes up like that. That's really cool. And then we have this spinny thing. I don't know if you can see it spinning. Oh. But yeah, it's really cool. So, wow, this is really cool so far. So let's go ahead and get the rest of these things. So we got this one. Oh yes, there's tape, I remember that. So let me get the tape off. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, I got the tape off. Okay. There's 3 pieces of tape. Still one little strip of tape. There's so much tape. Got it. Oh, that's so cute. So, we got this little gingerbread thing. A little cupcake gingerbread thing. And a gingerbread man or lady or something. And then I believe this thing is supposed to go here. There you go. Looks nice and happy. That's pretty cool. So, that fell down. Okay, so we got all the stuff so far. Really cool stuff. So we've opened 2 so far, and there's still 1, 2, 3 more. So, yeah. Get the rest out. So got this one. If I can get the tape off again, then that'll be great. If I can get the tape off without having any struggles. Okay, there we go. I did it. I got the tape off. Oh, we've got our first girl. I forgot to mention, there's 2 girls in there, so. We have this little girl. She has little braids in the back. That's cool. And her shirt has like a gummy bear or something on it. Yeah, it has a gummy bear on it, if you can see. Yeah. Okay. This one. Okay, we only have 2 more left. Get this off. Well, this is like one of the coolest Polly Pockets I've ever seen because it's like so cool how to like, yeah, really cool. That's so cool. So there's these little hearts with faces on them. That's really cool. And then there's another heart with a little face on it. And then there's 2 little chairs. So cool. Got another one. Okay, there's 1 more after this one. So, what if I could open it without getting tape off? Okay. We got the second and final little girl. And she has little ponytails and she has lollipops on her shirt. It's cool. So, yeah. And then we got the last one. It can't be a girl because there's only 2 girls that come with this one. So, I can get the tape off. Oh, I almost got it off. I got a little stripped off. Okay, let's see if I can get the rest open. Okay. Yes, I got the tape off. Oh, okay. That's so cool. There's this little teapot with little cups. So that's really cool. Then we got this lollipop. I noticed there's a lot of candy in this one. Another lollipop. Did we do that? I think there is. Yeah. And then there's this little cake. So that's really cool. Okay, let me see if I can close these off. And you can actually probably replace them with real gumballs and actually use this one as a real gumball machine. You could actually probably do that. Because, like, if you can use fake ones, you can use real ones. So, yeah. So, yes, I'm pretty sure this is like a secret little... Let me put these away so they don't bounce. So... I'm pretty sure that right here is supposed to be a cafe, like a secret cafe. So you can put, no, that's not supposed to go there. That's supposed to go in here. So yeah, you can put this little thing right here. Oh, let me find where it's supposed to go. You can put this like right here or something. I don't know, wherever you want it. And then you can pretend to like play with it, like play it. Oh, and I forgot to mention that there's this like spinny lollipop thingy. That's so cool. That's so cool. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this more, like as much as I did. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah. You don't have to like and subscribe though. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!